Money, Banking, Finance, Chapter number 2, Barter System, Introduction. Barter system is that where no money excites and there is direct exchange of goods and service for the other goods and services. In other words, moneyless economic is called barter system. Definition. Simple definition according to R.H. Parker. According to G.T. Thomas, the direct exchange of one commodity or service for another without the use of money is termed as barter. Barter is the direct exchange of goods and services without the use of money as either a mean of payment or a unit of account. Barter is a form of trading in which goods are exchanged directly for other goods without the use of money as an intermediary explanation. Barter system is also explained as one goods are exchanged with goods or things are purchased or sold without the help of money. In olden days, when money was not introduced, the whole of the trade was carried out by barter system. After the development of economic, money was introduced. Barter system is still available, in which between some countries where commodities are directly imported in exchange of the commodities exported. Difficulties of barter system. Following are the difficulties of barter system. Number 1, lack of double coincidence of wants. Number 2, lack of common measures. Number 3, indivisibility of commodities. Number 4, difficulty is strong wealth. Number 5, difficulty in future payments. Number 6, difficulty in tax collection. Number 7, difficulty of transfer of wealth. Number 8, difficulty is borrowing and lending. Number 9, difficulty in capital formation. Number 10, difficulty in division of labor. Number 11, estimation and budgeting problem. Number 12, economic measurement. Difficulties of barter system. Number 1, lack of double coincidence of wants. Number 2, lack of common measures. Number 3, indivisibility of commodities. Number 4, difficulty in strong wealth. Number 5, difficulty in future payments. Number 6, difficulty in tax collection. Number 7, difficulty of transfer of wealth. Number 8, difficulty in borrowing and lending. Number 10, difficulty in capital formation. Number 10, difficulty in division of labor. Number 11, estimation and budgeting problem. Number 12, economic measurement. The main disadvantages of barter system is the double coincidence of wants, e.g., if a person has surplus amount of wheat and he want to exchange wheat with cloth, then he will have to find a person who not only possesses clothes but also wishes to exchange clothes for wheat. In barter system, there was no standard unit to measure value of different goods, so there was difficulty in valuation of goods. This lack of common measure makes trade more difficult. For explain, a man has a camel and other has goats, and both are willing to trade, but it's very difficult to measure the value equally for both the parties. In barter system, it is very difficult to divide a commodity without losing its value. E.g., if the owner of the cow wants to purchase a hen, then it will not be possible for him to divide the cow and give a small portion of it to the owner of the hen in exchange of that hen. That was not possible. Under barter, wealth cannot be stored for a long period of time. It is difficult to store or goods, particularly perishable goods, for a long time without losing their value. Under barter system, it is very difficult to lend goods to other people. With the passage of time, the value of goods may fall, so it becomes difficult to make payment in future. If value decreases, lender is loser and vice versa. Another difficulty which arises under barter system is that the tax cannot be collected in the form of goods. If the commodities are collected from the taxpayer, then it becomes difficult for government to store or spend the wealth in the shape of goods. It is very difficult to transfer goods from one place to another, especially when they are in the large quantity. E.g., it is difficult for a person to transfer his 1000 cows from Multan to Lahore. In barter economic, borrowing and lending of goods also become difficult. E.g., a person lends some quantity of wheat during the period of famine. If the same quantity of wheat is returned during the time when wheat is in abundance, naturally he will be a surfer. Another difficulty in barter system is that there is lack of capital formation. The creation of capital goods is necessary for further production of goods. Servers and barter is the enemy of capital goods. In barter system is that difficulty to start large scale production, so production done on small scale. Those division of labor and specialization is not possible in small scale production. In barter, natural production is possible. In barter system, it is very difficult to estimate expenses and become income. Government cannot make my estimate of their revenue and expenditures because it is not possible to forecast the value of the commodities with any reasonable certainty currently. Under barter system, it was not possible to measure economic variables both at micro and macro level. There was no system to measure personal income and GDP also. Removal of difficulties with the introduction of money, the use of money has removed all inconveniences of barter. Removal of double coincidence of wants problem. Number 1. Money has eliminated the problem of double coincidence of wants because its service as a medium of exchange. Goods are sold to get money and money it used to buy goods. Goods, money, goods. Removal of subdivision of problems. Number 2. Money has also removed the problem of subdivision of goods by acting as a medium of exchange. The use of money has made it possible to buy goods of both lower and higher value. Base of measuring value. Number 3. Money serves as a common measure of value. The value of goods can be easily stated in money prices. Converted for future payments. Number 4. Money makes future payments very convenient because when payments are stated in monetary unit, everything becomes quite clear. Easy storage of wealth. Wealth can be easily stored in the form of money, so another disadvantage of barter system is removed with the innovation of money. Increased in foreign investment. Number 6. Only with the help of money, huge foreign investment can follow from any place in today's world. Under the barter system, it is fairly impossible, but the use of money made it possible because in money economy wealth can easily be transferred. Number 7. Helpful in revenue collection. The problem of revenue collection is removed with the help of money because revenue can be easily collected in shape of money, means of transferring wealth. Number 8. When can be easily transferred from one place to another with the use of money. Number 9. Establishment of financial institution. The introduction of money has made it possible to establish financial institutions like the central bank and commercial bank. It also plays in an important role in the working of money and capital market. Conclusion. The inconveniences of barter system made financial system simply impossible to flourish in the modern economic. With the invention of money, these difficulties were removed and money played an extremely efficient role in the today progressive economy.